Properties of rational numbers under division. Any number that can be expressed in the ratio of integers p and q, that is, in p by q form, such that q cannot be 0, is called a rational number. For example, 3 by 4, 5 by minus 11, minus 13 by 7. Let's learn division of rational numbers. Basically, dividing a rational number a by b by another rational number c by d is same as multiplying it by the reciprocal of c by d. For example, 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. The division problem can be converted into multiplication problem by taking reciprocal 2 by 3 as 3 by 2. Product of numerators gives the numerator of the resulting fraction and product of denominator gives the denominator of the resulting fraction. Further simplifying this fraction, we get answer 6 by 5. To make calculations simple, you can also divide 4 by 2. Solving in such way also gives same result. Now let's learn some of the properties of rational numbers under division. Closure property. If a and b are two rational numbers, then their division a divided by b is not always a rational number. For example, 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 1 equals to 8 by 3 is a rational number. But 4 by 3 divided by 0 by 2 equals to 4 by 3 into 2 by 0 equals to 8 by 0, which cannot be defined. So it is not a rational number. So closure property is not always applicable to division of rational numbers. Commutative property. Rational numbers a and b cannot be divided in any order. A divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. For example, minus 15 by 7 divided by 5 by 7. We can solve this in given order like this. Minus 15 by 7 divided by 5 by 7 is equals to minus 15 by 7 into 7 by 5, which is equals to minus 3. If we solve this by changing the order, we get this result. 5 by 7 divided by minus 15 by 7 equals to 5 by 7 into 7 upon minus 15 is equals to 1 by minus 3 or minus 1 by 3. Both results are not same. So, minus 15 by 7 divided by 5 by 7 is not equal to 5 by 7 divided by minus 15 by 7. Hence, division of rational numbers is not commutative. Associative property. Division of rational numbers a, b and c cannot be grouped in any way. A divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. Order of division is very important. For example, minus 6 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 14 divided by 2 by 3. If grouped like this, then result is 8 by 5. But if grouped like this, then result is 18 by 5. Since both results are not same, so division of rational numbers is not associative. Given order must be followed to find correct result. Division by 1. If a rational number a is divided by 1, then result is same rational number again. A divided by 1 equals to a. For example, 5 by 6 divided by 1 equals to 5 by 6. Minus 15 by 11 divided by 1 is equals to minus 15 by 11. Division of 0 by any rational number. If a is any rational number such that a is not equal to 0, then 0 divided by a is always 0. 0 divided by 5 by 3 equals to 0 into 3 by 5 equals to 0. 0 divided by minus 54 by 7 equals to 0 into 7 upon minus 54 is equals to 0. Division by 0. The result of division of any rational number a by 0 remains undefined. 2 by 7 divided by 0 is equals to 2 by 7 into 1 by 0 equals to 2 by 0. This number cannot be defined, so the result remains undefined. So, division of any rational number a by 0 remains undefined. Fill in the blank. Here you will find that one of the number on the RHS is same as the LHS. So without much thinking, you will write the missing number as 1 upon 2. But it is not correct, as division of rational number is not commutative. So how can we find the missing number? First solve LHS. Solving LHS gives answer 2 by 3. The same must be the result of division of 3 by 4 by missing number. Let's take missing number as x. Solving for x, we can write x equals to 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. Solving this, we get value of x as 9 by 8. That is, the missing number is 9 by 8. Let's verify it. 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8 equals to 3 by 4 into 8 by 9 equals to 2 by 3. It is same as the result of LHS. Hence, we got correct missing number. So, I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.